Hello, everybody. How are you all? Because of this COVID crisis, we all are in lockdown right now, and I hope you all are doing good, healthy, and happy. Just wanted to share that recently in last week, there is a small police outpost near our house. Me and my husband just went there to check with police in case if they need any help because shops are closed, there are no restaurants, there are no hotels nearby. So we thought we'll just find out in case if they need anything. When we went there, we realized that constables out there told us that there are many people coming there asking for food, especially the migrant workers who came from different cities, different towns, different villages. They don't even know the local language because restaurants are closed. So they don't know where to go and eat. I understand that government is doing a lot of work, NGOs are doing a lot of work, but still there are few gaps. So me, my husband decided to help these people. So we thought we will do some, we'll cook some food and we will give the food packets at the police outpost. Then we realized that I don't have my vessel is too small, my cooker size, I just showed it you. And then we don't even know where to mix the rice, and there are small challenges. In case if we have to do at least for 50 people, then we need a bigger vessel, and we need a bigger space where we can mix the food and all. So what we have decided was we changed our dining table. I just spread a old bed sheet on that, and a rice bag. We get rice in these bags, right, these plastic kind of ones. So I spread that so we can use that for mixing rice. And I got these grocery bags from the shop nearby where we can pack the food, because packing material also we are not getting anywhere nearby, and we can't go too far because of the lockdown. So my cooker size, it can cook 1 kg of rice at a time. So I have two cookers like that. So we did multiple times we cooked rice, so that we can feed at least 50 people. And this activity we were doing two times in a day. That is basically for lunch and for evening dinner. This is almost uh, 4 kgs of rice. Now I'm showing it you here. When we cook, it will be 3 times more quantity it will become, you all know that. So this we thought we'll do whatever we can, and then give the food packets at police outpost, so that anybody who comes for food, at least they can give those packets to them. Now so we are doing different variety, like one day we did puliogare, one day we did tamarind rice, one day wangi bath. So whatever is possible, because we can't do any sabji kind of things because vegetables are not available, and mixing is also a big problem, as I told you. So we just have to make some dry item only, because we are mixing it on a dining table. I told you that on dining table itself we spread the cloth, and we were trying to make the tasty food, as much tasty and healthy as possible, because this even has I took different varieties of dals, then made it into a powder, and I mixed it so that it's good amount of protein also will go. We are just trying to do our best. This I did it with the help of my husband, and of course my son, who is 12 years old. He helped me in packing the food. As I mentioned, we were doing this from past 1 week and planning to do it till 14th, till the lockdown ends, and every day, I mean, daily twice, both for lunch and for dinner. I should mention that police is also doing a wonderful job. I mean, they are just trying to do their best. In fact, when I visited police outpost one of the days, one person came there asking for the food, and actually police doesn't have any food packets at that time. I think somebody gave some cool drink bottles there, and there are some bananas on the table, so they just picked up those bananas, the cool drink bottles, and they gave it to the person who asked for food. um, should appreciate police on this, and the kind of service that they're doing at this time of crisis. So I thought whatever we can do from our end, we thought we'll just do it as much as possible. Because of all this, I'm not doing my regular cooking videos, which I used to post weekly, 3 videos minimum. I'm not doing it from last week, and next week, from next week, definitely I'll try to resume that and post the videos. As you all know, you are already aware that I post only the the recipes which are very very healthy. We all understand how important it is to eat the right food. We need to have good immunity and good health. Hope you all understand, and thank you so much for supporting me, and stay happy, stay home, stay responsible. I'll see you next week with a wonderful video which is easy, quick, and healthy. Thank you so much for watching. See you again. Bye bye. Stay safe.